Hello, and thank you for joining me today. I'm here to talk about how the 9 integrative services combine to improve healthcare outcomes, and specifically, how pharmacists add value to the delivery of effective medication therapy management. First, let's start with the 9 integrative services. These include preventative services, diagnostic, acute care services, chronic disease management, rehabilitation, palliative and end-of-life care, behavioral health, community health, and population health services. Each of these services play a critical role in improving healthcare outcomes. When they work together in an integrative system, they can help ensure that patients receive the right care at the right time and in the most efficient and effective manner possible. Now, let's focus on medication therapy management and the role that pharmacists play in delivering effective care. Pharmacists are medication experts who are uniquely qualified to help patients manage their medications and achieve better health outcomes. They add value to several aspects of the delivery of medication therapy management, and some of these include medication reconciliation, where the pharmacist can help ensure that patients are taking the right medication at the right time, at the right dose, and that there are no potential drug interactions or duplications. There is also medication education, where pharmacists can educate patients on how to take their medications correctly and what to expect in terms of side effects and how to manage their potential complications. Another includes medication monitoring, where pharmacists can monitor patients for any adverse reactions to their medications and work with healthcare providers to adjust dosages or switch to alternative medications if necessary. There's also adherence, where the pharmacist can counsel patients on the importance of adhering to their medication regimens and help them overcome any barriers to adherence that they may be experiencing. Overall, pharmacists play a crucial role in ensuring that patients receive safe and effective medication therapy management and in helping to improve healthcare outcomes more broadly. Thank you for your time today, and please don't hesitate to reach out if you have any questions.